Hi again. Now it is the time to explore the texture. Let's see how can we do that. It's very easy actually when you complete and everything be ready. Now we need to take all of these textures and send them back to Blender to render this robot inside Blender. But before you doing that, you have an option. Now the resolution of this texture is 2K. You can switch that to 4K. If we jump back to the head and if we open this texture setting, let's open this and put this right here. Here we have the size is 2K. You can switch this to 4K, but before you switching this to 4K, you need to save the project because sometime if you don't have a decent GPU, Substance Painter sometimes crashes. So to avoid that, just let's exit and let's go to save to file and hit save. Let's save the project. Alright, now I'm going to change the resolution to 4K. So now everything is ready. Let's select the head. I will start with the head and I will jump here to texture setting, and I'm going to change the size from 2K to 4K, and I need to give it time just to calculate the process. So just hit 4K and let's wait a bit. So it's finished for the head, and now I can zoom in and I have more details here because I changed it to 4K. Check this out. I have more details right here and at the edge, and that's very nice. So now the head is 4K resolution. I'm going to turn off the head and I will select the chest, just to switch to chest. And I'm going to turn off all the texture sets, the arm, everything. I just need to make the process faster. Alright, so now I'm going to change this to 4K, and as you see here is 2K written. So let's change to 4K and let's give it a time. Alright, now as you see the chest, the resolution of the chest now become 4K, and now we have more details here in the texture. As you see here, now it's become very beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to do the same process for all the parts, and when everything complete I will send the texture to Blender. So let's do that. Alright, now everything now is 4K. All what I want is just to send the texture to Blender. To do that, I'm going to hit File and Export Texture, or you can press Ctrl Shift E, and then window here should pops up. Let's wait for it, and yeah. And now you have all the texture sets right here: chest, head, the arms and leg. And let's select the chest. Let's start with the chest. Now everything is PNG. I don't need all of these texture. I can let's see which one I can deselect. The normal, I don't want the normal. Deselect the normal, and I want roughness, metallic, base color, I want this. Height, I don't want the height. Emissive, I want the emissive for the head. And normal open GL, yes, I want this. And ambient occlusion, yeah, I want this. I can use it. So this is for the chest. Let's jump to head and let's do the same thing for the head. I don't want the normal, the height, the yeah, just the normal and the height. Deactivate them. And what else we could do now? Let's jump to the arm and let's turn off the normal and the height. I don't want this normal because I have this one with OpenGL. Let's jump to leg and let's turn off the normal and the height. The same thing for the arm. Let's turn off this and let's turn off this, and leg, the same technique. And that's all what you want. And when you complete, now you are ready to export this. So let's see where could we export it. Here we have the output directory. So just hit this big button and let's see where should we save this. Let's add a new folder called textures and let's open it and hit select, and now we can send all of these textures to this folder. So just hit export and that's all. Alright, so now everything is exported as you see, and all the texture as you see here 4K, and now we are ready to jump to Blender and to import these texture and to make the render. So I'm going to finish this tutorial and I will see you in the next one.